Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you how to make Japanese curry roux from scratch. The rainy season is finally over and the sun is shining. It's really hot outside and we want something spicy. That's Japanese curry. Japanese curry is not too spicy, but just good in spiciness. This is highly requested from those who can't access to the Japanese box curry. Let's get started. These are the ingredients. The authentic recipe calls for lard, but you can use butter or vegetable oil instead. Thinly slice the onions. And thinly sliced ginger, and peel the garlic and cut into two. If you find garlic shoot, just take it out. The ingredients are ready. Let's start cooking. In a frying pan, I'm using wok. Put your lard into the wok. Add in onion and turn the heat to medium. Cook until onions turns brown. It's gonna take 10 minutes or so. While cooking, the moisture from the onion evaporates and you don't have to stir every once in a while. Just keep your eye on it to see the onion is not scorching. It passed 5 minutes and the edges turning brown, and then give it a stir. And another 5 minutes passed, the onions start browning, and now give it a stir constantly until all the onions turn brown. Take it out with the mesh skimmer. Turn the heat to low and add in the sliced garlic and cook on low until it becomes golden brown and tiny bubbles around the edges. And then add in sliced ginger. Cook until shrink and becomes golden brown and tiny bubbles around the edges. That's the sign of all the aroma goes into the oil. Turn the heat off and add in the flour. I am using bread flour here because the gluten content is high. That means your curry will thicken effectively. Turn the heat to low and whisk until no lump is remaining. And cook until bubbling, stirring constantly. Add in curry powder and cook until fragrant. It's going to take 4 to 5 minutes. Smells like curry restaurant in my entire house. Transfer to a stainless tray and leave it until it comes to room temperature. Chill in the fridge until firm to touch. And let's cut into cubes. But it looks too firm to cut. Let it sit 10 minutes until it comes to room temperature. Take that out from the tray and shape into a bar. And it becomes a little bit too soft. Let it sit a couple minutes in the freezer and cut into 2-inch cubes And there you have it. Your homemade Japanese curry roux. It's amazing. It just looks like a box curry. You can keep it in the fridge for up to a month, or you can freeze it for up to a year. We will make chicken curry in the next video. I hope you will give this recipe a try on this weekend. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!